What's up, you guys? T Studio X here, and I'm going to discuss why they couldn't fix my computer, and now I had to invest with a new one because they don't have the balls to fix to replace the hard drive. I lost everything that's on my computer that I had. My Farming Simulator 22 hard copy, which I have the games. So I have the games. Now I'm stuck with Farming Simulator 22 for the console version, which I had to do with the stupid slot system, which the slot system is bullshit. There's the PC game. So let me explain this. How do I supposed to play this on a computer without a CD-ROM? That's what I want to know. How do I supposed to play these games without a CD-ROM? So computers nowadays, laptops and desktops, they don't even have a DVD CD-ROM, which they usually do back in the olden days. Like, come on, they should make more computers with CD-ROMs. Seriously, hard drives like that should last a lot longer. And seriously, and they don't have the balls to clone my files that I have to put on a new hard drive. Seriously. I am not getting a computer without a CD-ROM. No, thank you. If I do, I'll probably have to buy an external CD-ROM, whatever the hell that is. Because I'm pretty sure I think I'm done with laptops. I think I should stick with desktops. No, it has to have a CD-ROM because I want to play games on it. I want to play games on the computer. And start over new, and then I want to do Mixpad software, but I have to and then I have to pay another hefty price to start over. I'm tired of that shit. I'm tired of starting over. I'm tired of starting over, and I'm tired of losing everything that I don't have anything to back up on. No external hard drive, no thumb drive. I'm sick and tired of not having that. Seriously! Pisses me off. So Sunday I took my computer to the place right by the fire hall, the township fire hall. So he called me last night. He wasn't able to fix it. That's bullshit. Probably the other shops, the repair shops will tell me the same damn thing. Gotta invest with the computer if I don't have the goddamn money for it. Give me a break. And look at the goddamn gas prices here in this here in the Greater Valley. I bet it's like $4.59 a gallon for gas. Almost every day is raising about 20 or 30 cents or 40 cents or even 50 cents more or even $1 more. The transportation is literally suffering because of the gas prices are going up, and the gas prices are going up because of the war going on in Ukraine, because of Russia's invasions since day one. High prices is driving us crazy. We're never going to see the light end of the light end of the tunnel. And like I said, I'm tired of buying new computer. I'm tired of replacing hard drives in laptops. And I'm tired of looking at computers without a CD-ROM. Because I've got games to put in, but I can't play. I mean, I can't buy a computer without a CD-ROM. I have to have a computer with a CD-ROM, and it has to have a CD-ROM, and so I could like play DVDs in it and play games in it or listening to music. Why can't they make more computers with CD-ROMs in it? The CD drives built right into it back in the day. And take a look at the gaming consoles, the newest ones. Some of them doesn't even have a CD. It's all digital. How does people go to play that? That's what I want to know. Enough of this digital shit. Like I said, how do I supposed to afford a new computer if I don't have that much? If I don't have enough money for it? Gaming laptops nowadays, they don't have a CD and DVD drive. I don't know why newer computers don't have that anymore. Seriously. And the other question is, how does people going to afford? I mean, how does people afford like graphics cards and stuff like that if the graphics card wear out, the hard drives wear out, and stuff like that? How does people going to afford it if the prices are going so high and the repair shops are like literally gone? Yesterday I called one repair shop guy, but that person closed its doors like months ago. That pisses me off. I hate when repair shops go out of business and shut the stores because I hate it. I hate this world that we're living in. The prices of gas is too goddamn high, and it's going to get freaking worse. And there's going to be more shortages, and everything. And there's probably going to be shortages on food, shortages on everything. We're tired of it. And that war over there in Ukraine needs to stop. tired of all this. We're all fed up with all this. Since February 24th. Right now it's March 8th, 2022. Why can't that war stop and let those, and please, I like to see we all need to see the prices go down. Oh, of course it won't go down because we got to pay more when the prices go up. It's stupid. Why are we paying more for everything? On groceries, on gas, on bills, on a little bit of everything. And I hope Russia will regret this for invading Ukraine on that day, since day one. Fuck Russia. That communist, socialist idiots. You mean I'm done replacing things, and they don't last a while. And they don't last a while. This is the hard drive. That was the first one that went bad. The second one went bad, and the whole computer is trash. I hate when they tell me when they weren't able to fix it, and it's impossible to clone the files to another hard drive. I hate when it's like impossible. But how does people on videos do that? How they clone files to another hard drive, like an external hard drive? Seriously. Like I said, I'm tired of losing everything, especially my mixpad software multi-track songs that are created by scratch. I lost everything. And I backed some of them on SoundCloud, but I didn't have enough room to put all of that on there. Because just to get room, I have to pay to get unlimited space and stuff like that. Like, it's stupid. Why is everything so goddamn expensive? Why is everything so difficult? Plus, and plus the everything's ridiculous nowadays. The monthly subscriptions, the prices are going up on monthly subscriptions, which I think is bullshit. When they raise the prices of it, it's bullshit. When I get a computer, and it has to have a CD-ROM, because I'm not getting one without a CD-ROM unless I find an external CD and DVD drive to hook onto it by the USB and stuff like that. So other than that, before I run out of memory space, if you like this video, make sure you comment below. Make sure you hit that like button and share it out. Any trolls that you're trying to come in, trying to screw everything up, what I'm saying, if you are watching my video, if you don't like it, trolls, why are you even here? So trolls like that should back off, because I'm not going to tolerate that. And yeah, my laptop, that should last a lot more years. I mean, if that freaking hard drive didn't shit out on me, on Sunday. I would have done like days of Farming Simulator 22, which is the latest game for PC version, because I like that better because there's no slot system, there's no disk space limit. That's what I like about and plus there's more mods, there's scripted mods and everything. That's what I like about PC version of the Farming Simulator 22. But the Farming Simulator 22 for the console version sucked because they got to do with disk space and the stupid slot limit. The slot system is fucking ridiculous. They should get rid of that stupid slot system on Farming Simulator 22 for the console version. This is why the console version of the Farming Simulator 22 suck. Which I probably might make a video of it. I've done one for the 19. And there's no reason why I can't do one for 22. I mean, I'm talking about the game for the console version, which it literally sucked. It does. Because of the slot system that they have on there. Plus the limited disk space. I hate that shit. Not enough room to update. Maps take so much space and shit like that. When new mods come in and you don't have enough room, fuck that. So I'll be making a video of that on another video. Other than that, this is your boy T Studio X signing out.